Hello, welcome back for lesson number 53. I put a title called Face Work. Today we're gonna do the roughing for the top face. I have partnered with Dream Technology System to produce this video. I hope everybody can learn something out of it. As usual, we need to open the previous lesson file and continue what we're gonna learn today. This is the result of the previous lesson. We have created all the necessary setup for this part. So we will start with top face cut, create, select profile and then click OK. We will select the two curves, OK. Inside, select OK. And we need to load the two. Load two shape, go for mill and select a 25 mm flat end mill. Click OK. Continue to set the two number to number 1. OK. We need to update the parameter. Right mouse click, edit, set the frame G54, RPM and feed rate. We don't want to set the top. I want to highlight to you that the difference between setting the top and the bottom. To this round, we just need to set the bottom. 0.5 bottom thickness. The uniform depth without the top setting is actually not functioning, but I want to set to 3 so that to show you the difference. By the time we do an update in the later time, you can see the difference. Path pattern, spiral step in. We just need to set the engage and there's nothing to do on the retract. Set the color, calculate, looks good. Let us verify. Set the frame. You can see that after we drag the two, the Z is 0.5 on top of it. Yes, we balance 0.5 for the bottom thickness. Click OK. Click OK again. Let us perform a solid verify. You can see everything looks good. Analysis visual. We still have material for the finishing cut. Good. Let us save the file. Let me switch the screen to show you step by step how to accomplish the task. Hello, welcome back. Let me show you step by step how to accomplish the task. First, we go to axis mill, top face cut, create, profile, OK. Select the curve, this one, OK. Inside, click OK. Load the tool shape, mill is OK. So it's 25 mm, flat end mill, OK. Tool number 1, OK. Do not want to calculate now. We need to set the frame. G54, RPM 1003, 280. Boundary, we need to select the bottom only. Torrent 0.5. And uniform depth is 3, which is not functioning. We just want to show you how it works. Spiral step in. Do not require retract. This one is minus 26 so that we have enough clearance. Change the color. Calculate. Looks good. Let us verify. Set the frame G54 and we can drag slowly. Even we can see the detail. Z 0.5, which is correct. Click OK. Click OK again. Let us do a solid verify. Right mouse click. Reduce the speed. Play. Looks good. Let us do a analysis visual. Yes, we still have material for the finishing cut. Looks good. Okay. Going. Save the file. Thank you for watching. We will continue this lesson at the next video. Bye bye.